Hey, what's happening everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your iPhone home screen pages. So let's see what widgets we got. Press the screen for a second or two, and as the icons shake on the top left corner, we now have a plus. Now here you can see various widgets. Depending on your style and personality, which ones would you need? So at the top, they have something called a smart stack. This widget will have multiple widgets in one, probably your most popular ones. And I think it's a great one to have on the first page. So I choose the size I need. As you can see, I could scroll and I have various options within the one widget. I'm going to put it to the bottom for my organization, and there we go. I could also add multiple widgets to multiple pages, depending on the size that I want. Just like the Galaxy phones, I have flexibility. You can even put two widgets in one and create a new stack. It all depends on your style and what you want your screens to look like at the end of the day. So I'll add a couple more for examples. So there you see the double menu at the bottom. Here's a brand new page. I might go with the weather app, an in-depth look, and look at that, it takes about half the page, but I have the space now. And congrats on Apple for adding this feature, by the way. I didn't think they would do it. Let's go one more, calendar. Again, the various sizes. Let's find the size that will fit what I'm looking for. And there you go. So now we have a hybrid of icons and widgets, just like the Galaxy Android phones. If you have any questions about widgets, how to add them, how to set them up, leave them in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys later. Until then, talk to you soon. Goodbye.